You can use if expressions in your code when you need to run your code based on some condition. If expressions take the form of if Boolean expression, then A, else B. So if the Boolean expression evaluates to true, then run the expression A, and otherwise run the expression B. Let's see some example code. This function takes in an int, and if it is odd, we return the string hello, and if it is even, we return the string bye bye. So the type signature is defined that we take an int and return a string. And the body of the function is defined so that if the call to odd x returns true, then it returns hello, and otherwise it returns bye bye. Odd is an inbuilt function which returns true if the number is odd. There are some things you should note about if expressions. You have to have all of it. If, then else. You can't just have an if without the corresponding else like you can in other languages. There is no need to put a return statement like you need to do in other languages. The value of the expression after then or else is returned automatically. Also, you don't need to put brackets after the if like in other languages. We rarely actually use if expressions in Haskell. Rather, we use pattern matching and guards, which we will cover in a later module. But for simple functions, it can make sense to use an if expression, like is shown here. This video is a clip from a longer video for beginners starting with Haskell. Check that out if you would like to see all of the content. Also check out the entire Introduction to Functional Programming with Haskell course on the Learn channel. See you next time.